and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be looking at the Travis Scott Air Jordan 6s in the British khaki colorway. Let's take a sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up at the end of the video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below. Also, hit that notification bell if you haven't already. We have so much heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out those membership tiers. We have so many perks on there for our members that you're not going to want to miss out on them, as well as our merch store. So as mentioned earlier, you guys already know I thought I was going to take a heavy, cold-hearted L on these shoes, but I was able to cop a pair on Undefeated, and I also was able to snag a t-shirt from his collection that he dropped with the Jordan brand. So we are going to start off with the overview of the shoe. I'm going to dabble a little bit into the t-shirt and the collection. Then we're going to discuss sizing and fit on this specific 6 silhouette. Jumping into styling after that, which I had so much fun styling these because this is just a great, refreshing shoe for the springtime and summertime. Then we're going to conclude with the resale on how these shoes are doing. You guys already know the previous olive colorway is doing so well right now in the resale market. So definitely stay tuned for the end of that. All right, so let's jump into it. Let's talk about what this shoe is all about. There's so many different accessories and pieces to the shoe, so definitely gonna have to show you guys some great close-ups on this. So starting with the frontal portion of the shoe, obviously the base and foundation of the shoe is this beautiful light khaki suede, and this is quality suede. You guys can see there as I rub it on the toe box, we've just got this beautiful, nice khaki textured suede throughout the toe box. Working our way up, we've got this nice darker shade of tan, and we've got that pop of crimson on the Jumpman logo, and that is just a beautiful pop of color that I think is really accented well with that khaki and darker brown coloring scheme there. As we work our way up, we've got some of that Cactus Jack branding in that crimson color scheme. And we are now moving up to the top of the tongue, and you'll see that this is actually glow in dark. We're gonna have to like bring it over the light so I can bring it back over to show you guys. But the top of this tongue actually glows, as well as this lock glows as well, the lace lock. And as we move to the back portion of the heel tab here, this also is the same material that glows in the dark as well. Moving on to the back of the heel counter, we've got that nice dark tan as well, followed by, again, some of that nice pop of crimson coloring scheme embroidered on the back for the Nike Air. Then we have just really cool accessories going on. I'm gonna jump into that in a moment, but first, before I forget, I wanna talk about the laces. We've got the nice beige laces to go with the shoes already, but they gave us 2 other color options. So we've got that bright pop of crimson color. So if you don't feel like the accents are enough, you also are gonna get a secondary option in the darker tan colorway. You guys know my lace game. I'm all about having other options for laces to add to my silhouettes, and I'm excited to kind of just shake it up a little bit and maybe mix and match. We'll see. But right now I am actually just in love with the nice beige colorway that it has right now currently. So let's take a quick look at those close details, then we're going to move on to the rest of the shoe. of the shoe. This is a really exciting part of the shoe just based upon the fact that there are cargo pockets. We already saw on the olive version of the shoe this pocket, and it actually holds a different colored lace lock. So if you don't like this glow in the dark one, you can also swap it in for that crimson color scheme. And it's just a nice little quick button there. But if you don't want a button, you also have a zipper pocket here. And there's actually nothing inside of the zipper pocket, but they added a dual pocket, and I do like that they have a zipper option and a little button option. Nice to have the two, not button, snap option here. All right, working our way to the side panels, again, we've got more of that light khaki suede, and as we get to the bottom portion of the shoe, this is actually a glow-in-the-dark outsole. So we've got a cream midsole intermixed again with that khaki tan, the Travis Scott branding going on there for the Cactus Jack, and it glows in the dark. So we'll have to put this up to the light so you guys can see that, but the entire bottom glows in the dark. Again, we've got that Cactus Jack, Travis Scott branding on the bottom there, which is pretty cool. And the insole again has the Cactus Jack on the inside with that kind of darker tan color scheme. So let's look at the final version of all of the different parts of the shoe. All right, so let's talk about sizing on the sixes. So I typically stay true to size. This was a men's sizing, so I got a size 7.5, which is equivalent to a woman's size 9. For those of you who don't know my foot shape and size, I do have narrow, high arched feet. So I definitely would say, based upon the type of foot that you may have, if it's flat and wide, you may actually vary in size and may need to go half a size up. But on this specific silhouette, I would say definitely stick true to size. All right, so now let's jump into styling. It's so much fun styling these. For the first look, obviously you guys already know I am wearing my Travis Scott Jordan Collab t-shirt, and I love just this khaki colorway. I think it's refreshing, it's different, and it's just nice neutral tones going on here with the cool separate branding of the dual brands on the back and front side. So with that, I decided to pair it with just some Nike sweats, compliments of Culture Kings, and gray just goes quite nicely with this just light khaki tone. So definitely a great combo there, obviously, to have an item from the lookbook, but definitely this is the perfect pairing for this shoe. So if you guys were able to cop any of the Travis Scott Jordan pieces from the lookbook, definitely pairs perfectly with this shoe.
Yo, Mark 9, they really don't think we can keep doing this. They don't think we can keep making hits about cameras. But I'm the cameraman. But I'm the cameraman. Stay creamy. Yeah, I started on a 50 mil lens. Now I'm about to bag 50 mil yen. I can shoot all day, I got stamina. Turtleneck on with my camera, yeah. Stay creamy, man, that's what they say. Shoes laced up and I came to play. Yeah, I'm first team, I'm a superstar. They call me Cream, like Abdul-Jabbar. Yeah, you had to face it, let's get back to basics. I'ma take the shot like it's a vaccination. I don't have the patience, I'ma shoot right now. Yeah, we undefeated and you gon' lose right now. Like click, 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 swish. I can switch it up anytime like this. I'm a videographer and I'm on the verse. So when I shoot my shot, I don't miss.
Gon' take the shot.
take the shot, take the shot. You know I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot.
So for the second look, I wore a Supreme beanie that kind of matched this kind of crimson accent coloring scheme. And then I wore just a simple white tank, paired that with a nice kind of khaki green overcoat, and wore some denim pants with that, which the denim pants, obviously I think light denim goes quite nicely with the color scheme in this shoe.
Take the shot, pull up and take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. You know I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. Yeah, kid noon, I've been shooting my shot, ooh. The into it, I've been moving the rock, yeah. My shit's wet like I've been using a mop, ooh. You get there, yeah, I've been proving I'm wrong. I've been taking shots and now I'm starting to stutter. Vision getting blurry, I should check my shutter. I'm the cameraman, I need my camera madam. Shoot my shot like a Mansell Adams. I develop film, not feelings, ooh. I develop film, not feelings, ooh. I develop film, not feelings, ooh. I develop film, not feelings.
For the last and final look, I decided to wear my cargo olive green pants, and I paired that with, again, kind of a tank top that matched, I feel like, the crimson accents on the shoe. And then I layered that with a gaudy jacket that has some olive and khaki tones in it. So definitely a shoe I wanted to play with those khaki and olive tones because I think they all just go and blend very well with each other.
Yeah. You know I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. You know I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. Pull up and take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. You know I'm gonna take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. I develop film, not feelings. Ooh, I develop film, not feelings. Ooh, I develop film, not feelings. Ooh, I develop film.
So you guys let me know down below what was your favorite look out of the three. going to conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale. So these shoes retailed at $250, and they are currently, depending on your size, are going from $450 to $600. Just to give you guys a comparison, the olive version of this shoe currently is going around $650. So I do foresee in the future these actually increasing in price point, and I do feel like in comparison between the olive colorway and this colorway, this was actually a more favorable color out of the two. All right, you guys, thanks so much for tuning in to another one of my episodes. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Again, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Be sure to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell if you haven't already. We've got so much heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out those membership perks as well as our merch store. All right, you guys, we will catch you on the next episode.